Intel 1-2, Lake Tahoe, altimeter 3031.
3031, Intel 1-2.
November 7-4 Golf, Lake Tahoe, altimeter 3031. There's going to be another aircraft orbiting in the vicinity at 17,500.
3031, looking for traffic. 7-4 Golf.
Couple aircraft at once, number 560 Delta Tango, Oakland Center. Radar contact 3 miles north of the Tahoe Airport. Climb via the Ritchie 7 departure, except maintain 15,000.
Climb via the Ritchie 7, climb maintain 15,000, Delta 560, November 560, Delta Tango.
Who else calls? Number 4586 Romeo, Roger, say altitude, radar contact lost. November 86 Romeo, Roger, and let me know what you need from me. The Lake Tahoe, runway 18, is that what you're shooting for? November 86 Romeo, Roger, and sounds good. Just shoot for best glide for now, and just keep me updated, and if you need any assistance, let me know. I'll try and work on some aircraft to orbit the area. November 0 Delta Tango, climb and maintain 17,000.
November 560 Delta Tango, climbing to 17,000.
November 4586 Romeo, the Lake Tahoe, altimeter 3031. November 86 Romeo, I might lose you on radio, but I do have an aircraft orbiting the area, and I'll have them relay to you if I do lose you on radio. 4586 Romeo, whenever you can, how many people on board and how much fuel remaining? November 86 Romeo, Roger. Intel 1-2 Oakland.
Go ahead for Intel 1-2.
Intel 1-2, I have an emergency aircraft, November 4586 Romeo. I might need you to relay because I'm going to lose them on radios probably. They're going to attempt to land at South Lake Tahoe Airport. They're over the lake now and they lost their engine.
Copy that. We'll be up here. Let us know what you need. Intel 1-2.
Intel 1-2, Roger. I'll let you know if I can't hear him anymore and I'll have you relay.
We'll go Intel 1-2.
November 560 Delta Tango, climb and maintain 16,000. Actually, when you're able, 0 Delta Tango, amend the altitude, maintain 16,000. It's okay if you go through it.
We've just gone through it, leaving 16.5, heading down to 16 if you need it.
Yeah, whenever there's 0 Delta Tango, or if you just want to maintain 17,000 for now, I'll take you down in a couple minutes, whatever you like.
We'll go ahead and go down to 16 now, sir.
November 4586 Romeo, any luck with the engine? Intel 1-2, I did lose that aircraft on radar and now I can't hear him. Do you mind relaying, again, the call sign 4586 Romeo? We're just trying to see if they're able to get their engine started.
Copy that, and block November 4586 Romeo, it's Intel 1-2 here. Yes sir, 4586 Romeo, Intel 1-2 Oakland Center. Wanted to check with you guys if you guys had any luck with the engine. Copy that. Block Oakland Center, Intel 1-2 here. They still have engine power, but they're pretty close to the water there. They're looking for a place to land.
Intel 1-2, Roger, and if you could I'm not sure if you see them out there. The last I had them was at your 10 o'clock in 4 miles. I'm guessing they're towards the south, the middle side of the lake now. If you see them at all, let me know. And it is a Bonanza BE-36.
And Oakland Center, Intel 1-2 here. We do see them. It looks like on our radar here. They're about 1.5 miles southwest at 5,700 feet.
November 0 Delta Tango, descend and maintain 14,000, Sacramento altimeter 2987.
Open November 560 Delta Tango down to 14,000, 2987.
Intel 1-2, do you still see the aircraft?
And Oakland Center Intel 1-2, we're actually an emergency response aircraft, so we do have video radar or video sensor and stuff. We just confirmed them. They went on the water. We can give you the lat long if you need that.
Intel 1-2, affirmative.
And that coordinate will be 3900.41 by negative 12006.22. And we see some boats heading out to that airplane, giving some help out there.
November, or correction, Intel 1-2, Roger, and can just verify I have 3900.41 and negative 12006.22.
That's A from Intel 1-2.
And just to verify Intel 1-2, you do see the aircraft and you said that it looks like boats are heading towards them now?
Yes, sir. We still have them on our camera. They're on the ground, or sorry, on the water. Boats are reaching out, multiple of them. Intel 1-2.
Intel 1-2, if you could just orbit the area for a couple more minutes and just let me know if you see anything, and we're calling in those lat longs now.
Yes, sir. We'll do that. Let us know if you need anything. Intel 1-2.
Thank you, and I really appreciate your help.
No problem, sir.
November 0 Delta Tango, contact NorCal approach 123.7.